You are welcome to another video. This is a continuation of section 1.3. We are now in section 1.3.1, solution to problems using Venn diagram, two circles. That is two-circle Venn diagrams. Now we are going to solve some problems on what we discussed in section 1.3. The following formula will be stated to help us solve these problems. A, n of u equals to n of A intersection B complement plus n of A intersection B plus n of A complement intersection B plus n of A union B all complement. B, n of A union B is equals to n of A intersection B complement plus n of A intersection B plus n of A complement intersection B. And then C, n of U equals to n of A union B plus n of A union B all complement. A and C are the same. There's no more difference. They are the same. Now in our section 1.3, we drew Venn diagram illustrating what we have written here. So it is not strange to us. Now with this formula, we are going to solve some problems. The first problem is taken from JAMB 2000. In a youth club of 94 members, 60 like modern music and 50 like traditional music. The number of members who like both traditional and modern music is 3 times those who do not like any type of music. How many members like only one type of music? Now, first of all, we are going to draw the Venn diagram, which is what we have seen here. U, which represents the whole rectangle. M is a set of modern music, and T the set of traditional music. Now we say let U represent universal set. That is the set of club members, which means n of U, the number in the universal set is 94. Let M equals to set of modern music, and T equals to what? Set of traditional music. That means that the number of members number that like modern music is equals to what? 60. N of T equals to 50. Number that like traditional music. And then N of M intersection T is number that like both. N of M union T all complement. Number that do not like any of the two, but they are in a universal set. Now let's come back to the question again. The question says the number of members who like both traditional and modern music is 3 times those who do not like any type of music. Now, we are going to say that let n of M union T all complement be equals to y, meaning that let those who do not like any of the music be represented by y. Back to the question. That means the number that like both is 3 times that, which means the number that like both is 3y. You can see it represented here. N of M intersection T equals to 3 into N of M into T all complement, which is equals to 3y. Equals to y. So this is y. Now, we are told also that the number that like both is 3 times those who do not like any type of music, which means those who like both is 3y. Now, n into M intersection T complement is now equals to what? 60 minus 3y. Why? Because M intersection T is 3y. Therefore, M alone is what? 60 minus 3y. Remember that m alone is the same thing as m intersection t complement, which we represent as m only. This region here. So that this region alone is what? 60 minus 3y. Then t only, which is the same thing as m complement intersection t, or t only, is what? 50 minus 3y, because t is 50. Therefore, t only, or m complement intersection t, is 50 minus 3y. A, we wrote earlier, n of u is what? N of what? M intersection t complement plus n of m intersection t plus n of m complement intersection t plus n of m union t all complement. That is the formula we are going to use. Now we represent them. N of u is 94. M only is 60 minus 3y. M and t 3y. T only, or m complement intersection t, is 50 minus 3y, and then m union t complement is y. After small simplification, we have y to be 8. Now the question says, those who like only one type of music, how many like only one type of music? Now the number that like one type of music, either modern or traditional. So this will be n of m intersection t complement plus n of m complement intersection t. That will represent either of the two. One type of music, modern only or traditional only. That gives you this. We already know that y is 8, so we substitute 60 minus 12 plus 50, and then in place of y we put 8, and then we have it to be 62. So those who like only one type of music, either modern or traditional, is 62. Out of 20 candidates for a job, 12 have degrees and 10 have some other qualifications. If 2 have no qualification, how many have both a degree and some other qualifications? Solution to problem 2. Let U be a universal set, which is a set of candidates for a job. That means n of U is 20. Let D equals to set of degrees. Q equals to set of some other qualifications. That means n of D is 12, number that have degrees. N of Q is 10, number that have some other qualification. Now, those who have both degree and some other qualification is not given. Of course, that's what we have to find. Let us represent it by X. You have that n of D intersection Q is equals to X. So we are going to represent X here. That is X. Those who have both degrees and some other qualification. Then n of D union Q all complement is equals to 2. That means those who don't have degree and some other qualification, in other words, they don't have any qualification, but they are in a universal set. That is represented by 2. So here is 2. They don't have degree, they don't have some other qualification, but they are among the 20 candidates for a job. Now, of the intersection Q complement, which is called D only, those who have only degrees, is what? 12 minus x. Why? Because those who have degree, the number that have degree is what? 12. So the number that have only degree, excluding other qualification, is what? 12 minus x. We represent it here, 12 minus x. N of D complement intersection Q is equals to 10 minus x. What does that mean? Those who have other qualification only, they don't have degree. Only those who have other qualification is what? 10 minus x. Because those who have other qualification, the number is 10. But those who have only other qualification, excluding degrees, is what? 10 minus x. Here, 10 minus x. A, which says n of u equals to n of D intersection Q complement plus n of D intersection Q plus n of D complement intersection Q plus n of D union Q all complement. Now you can see all this in the Venn diagram. N of U is 20, n of D only 12 minus s, n of D and Q x, n of Q only 10 minus x, and then n of D union Q all complement is 2. After simplification, we have x to be 4. That those who have both degrees and other qualification is what? 4.